So this is going to be a very quick gym tour video. I'm going to quickly run through what equipment we've got, where we got it and how much it cost. So the first thing we did was we put a new door in here, then we blocked off this garage door here. We bought this dumbbell rack from Costco for $279, reduced from $379. We've got the cable machine, which is also from Costco. That was $1,800, but I do believe if you're lucky, they quite often discount it to $1,200. So if you do see it for $1,200, it's definitely worth buying because we paid $18 for this. The TV, this end is an LG 32-inch TV, which we bought off Facebook Marketplace for £100. The Sonos one speaker and the bracket, I can't remember how much that cost. Then we've got the wall paneling, which we've pretty much got everywhere in here. That's from woodup.co.uk, and I believe it's walnut colour. They're about £150 per sheet. The mirrors are from John Lewis, they were £60 each. The neon sign was from seller on Etsy. It actually came from China, it was £209. You're like really fit, it's a play on the Mean Girls quote.
You're like really pretty.
There's some LEDs in here as well. I don't know if you saw them or not. Put them back on. And behind the TV out there. The rower machine, also from Costco, £479 I believe. The Dyson heater is for in the winter. It's actually a fan and a heater. Works really well for both. The Reebok One GT40S running machine. We bought that from Argos, and to be honest, we've had nothing but trouble with it. It's an absolute nightmare. I wouldn't recommend it at all. This is the replacement one, the second one that we've had after a massive battle to get it replaced after it was faulty, and the new one now, within a few weeks of setting it up, has developed a fault and just squeaks and groans. So I definitely wouldn't recommend that machine. That was £700 I believe. The Soul E35 elliptical machine, that is a brilliant machine, really pleased with that. We got that off Facebook Marketplace and we only paid £150 for it. It was absolute bargain, it's barely been used, it's like brand new. Samsung TV, 49-inch TV, it's just from an old house, it was left over. We swapped over to Samsung frame TVs in the house and we had that spare, so we just put it up there. And the paneling prints, my wife done those. The squat rack is actually my daughter's. That was £250 from sweatband.com, and then we paid an extra £60 for the Olympic bar, £25 for the attachments to put the weights on. That's from Amazon for the attachments. The weights we got from, again, Facebook Marketplace. They were £100 I believe for 175 kilos of weight. The bench, again, Facebook Marketplace, it's a Strength Shop bench and we paid £80 for that, and at retail it's something like, say, £300. So that was an absolute bargain, it's in really good condition as well, and it matches everything else. And the fridge, it's been in here for years basically. We bought it for £50 or something 8 years ago with the expectation that it wouldn't last very long, but it's lasted a long time, so we've had it about 8 years now. This is all the drinks we keep in here for the energy and protein. Coat rack, and the hooks is just made from another piece of the paneling. The hooks were from Amazon, they were £3 each. I'm currently working on a series of videos on how we did the full DIY conversion from start to finish without any builders or tradesmen. So if you're interested, please subscribe, and then you'll be notified as and when the videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching.